Happening. Welcome to Newport. So I'm look around today. Have a wander. I'll fit the rest. We're on by the river we are at the moment. We'll go over into town in a minute. There's a few things we want to have a look at by here. Just have a look at this. That look. $17.60. Right. Let's go down here and have a look. There's a boxer. Boxer. David Bonner Pierce. We're just gonna walk along the river in a mushroom. Here's we got Luna as well, always, as always. So yeah, Newport, it's not the best of places. It's got a bit of a reputation these days. So we'll have a look around, see what's about. Yeah, Newport is known as a pretty rough place nowadays, full of drugs and just down and outers. A lot of foreigners too. Once was a lovely place, Newport. I don't remember it, but it once was. The river's looking very low. Not a very nice river, to be honest. Look at this. Just a random face. Bit mad. Yeah, it was a bit of a whim today. I was originally going to go somewhere else. But yeah, Newport is where we ended up. So let's go and have a look at this. Now this is a big statue they call the Wave. I know. A cool story. 1998. My father climbed up that and fell off it after a night out. Yeah. Christ is high. They call it the Wave. Stop going so far ahead, Luna. Mad. at this bridge. And the remains of what I believe to be a castle. We'll go and have a look. What are them pigeons? Under the bridge. Again, back when we used to build good shit. Yeah, I don't think we can get to it. Or if we can, I don't know about it. We'll have a look and we'll go into it. Over there. Go under here now. This should take us to the town centre. Oh, let's go and have a look, see if we can. Does that take us to that castle? Okay. Let's go and have a look. Oh, it does. Definitely not going to be able to get in there though, but that's cool. Little dragon. But yeah, we definitely can't go in, but you can definitely have a look. Pretty cool. It is Newport Castle. Cool. Let's have a look around this side. Come on. So let's head into the city centre, into Newport Centre. Town or city, I don't know. I'm sure it's a city. We'll have to research that one. I'm sure it's a city though. Look at this. Cheers, bud. Oh, let's see where we're going by at now. We're going this way or that way? We're going this way. Sure, now this will take us towards the bus station. Yes, this is the bus station. We'll have a look, we'll have a walk up, have a wander through town. And we'll see if there's anything happening in the port of New, or for my Welsh speakers, Caerleon. those who don't speak Welsh, Castle Newydd is Welsh for Newport. Or as they say over here, Newport. Newport. Come to Newport, man. That's how they speak round here. My man's not happy. So that can definitely won't be battering me, boy. Mad. Yeah. People in Newport. A bit bonkers. They said they're all on drugs. We're gonna have a walk up there, I think. Oh, ambulance. So yeah, this is Newport, guys. Let's go and have a look at that. You've got NatWest and HSBC. Probably the two nicest buildings around. Both happen to be banks. So it's a nice building though. We hear a clock on top of that one as well. Let's go and have a look at this. Just up there then, at Bass Street, that's Newport train station up there. Cool guy. Come on. That's where we are. Just want to look at these ones. Footage might be a bit shaky today. Not having the best day with my hands today. Let's have a stroll down in through Newport town then. We got Sports Direct. Look at that clock. There used to be a bank as well, Lloyd's I believe. Barclays. Barclays on modern. We got Iceland. Burger King. Again, another old bank. Metropolitan Bank Chambers. And there's the little indoor shopping precinct. Hey bro. Some wild people around. Ah. What do you call it? A wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Another Lloyd's Bank. You notice this? The only nice looking buildings in Newport are banks.
Into the cupboard every time that they say something.
Down there. Luna, come here, babe. Yeah, to be fair, it's a lot quieter than I was expecting it to be. Like I said, Newport is a very rough place. Horrible place to be. To be fair, Newport is probably one of the worst areas I know of. But this is some people's homes, I guess. Look at this. What the fuck is that? Come on. Look at these apartment buildings. Why the hell would you want to build them in the middle of Newport? Of all places. I think we're going to end it there, guys. That's about it for Newport. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.